I don't care what you say, or you. You cannot say Cosmopolitan without thinking of Carrie Bradshaw and her Sex and the City co-star, Charlotte. Hey, Charlotte, if you're watching, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Bar School. My name is Beau Robinson. I'm your host. Sex and the City and the Cosmopolitan launched a new precedence for craft cocktail culture.
Cosmopolitan, please.
After the second season, these babies were found in the hands of every single night-dwelling seductress, quickly becoming a bartender's worst nightmare. Somebody help! Credit goes to TOBY CECCHINI of Odeon in New York's Tribeca community. Bartenders hated Toby and often cursed at him. Annoying! Where he would simply say, I'm sorry. Mainly because he was using a flavored vodka and cranberry juice, which we swore we'd never use again. Either way, the Cosmopolitan is a necessary drink for every single bartender to know. Plus, the ladies love them. To make a Cosmo, go ahead and grab your tins, because you're gonna shake this. Fill your tin with ice. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Absolute Citron, 1/2 ounce of Cointreau, and here's the big kicker, 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And lastly, we add 3/4 ounce of cranberry juice. You're gonna shake these ingredients.
How does he do it so fast?
Now grab your Botini glass, put it right there. And we wanna grab a double strainer because we don't want any ice to go into this drink. And then grab a lime, you're gonna rim the glass. And that's how you make the Cosmopolitan. The Cosmo was an instant sensation, but it fell as fast as it rose. Bartenders condemned the drink for being too simple, which sparked a new revolution made to challenge the consumer versus just providing an unsophisticated means to an intoxicated end. Join us next time when we honor Anthony Bourdain. We're gonna prove his theory that an egg in anything makes it better. Thanks.